I'm Jason, a stylish young man. American style. Handsome. Confident, and always smiling.
I'm Emily, a beautiful young woman. Classy, elegant, confident, and charming.
All right, everybody, real quick, we're about to jump into this conversation, so stay locked in. Let's go!
3, 2, 1, go!
Hi, excuse me, are you from around here?
Yes, I am. What about you?
I'm new here. I just moved from New York.
Wow, really? Welcome.
Thank you. By the way, what's your name?
My name is Emily. And you?
I'm Jason. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a nurse. What about you?
I'm an entrepreneur.
That's impressive.
Thanks, maybe we can be friends?
Why not?
Can I have your number?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you, Emily.
You're welcome.
Thank you for watching all the videos. If you enjoyed this lesson, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Your support helps us create more free English lessons for you. New lessons every week.